Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna draw some fruit like banana. So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna draw an ellipse and a curved lines for the peel of banana. Curved line. For the peel of banana, I'm gonna draw straight lines for the texture. Like this. Now I'm gonna draw a persimmon. I draw a circle like this. After that, I'm gonna draw 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I erase the excess and I draw an oval for the center of persimmon. After that, I'm gonna draw a kiwi. First of all, I draw an oval. Many dots and straight lines for the texture. Like a real kiwi. A circle for the end of the kiwi. So here. I'm gonna draw an oval for inside the kiwi. I'm gonna draw another oval, but smaller than the other. Many dots and crooked lines for the texture. Thin layer around the kiwi. Now let's get painting. Now trace over it with a felt tip marker. that's it. I hope you like it. Please support us with like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.